In today's competitive market, having a strong online presence is crucial for local businesses. But how do you ensure that your business stands out in local searches and directories? Introducing SeoSamba, the cost-effective solution for managing your local business listings. Unlike Yext, we offer the same powerful features at half the cost, helping you maximize your budget without compromising on quality. With SeoSamba, you retain ownership of your listing information even after you stop using our services. Unlike Yext, we believe that your data is yours to keep in control, empowering you with long-term flexibility and independence. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from local business owners who have made the switch to SeoSamba and experience the difference firsthand. Ready to take your local business listings to the next level? Choose SeoSamba for a cost-effective, transparent, and empowering solution that puts you in control. Join the revolution today, SeoSamba, empowering local businesses for a brighter digital future.